Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the impressive DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo, a compact powerhouse designed for creators who want top-tier aerial footage without the bulk. Starting with the camera, this drone packs a punch with its 4K video capabilities and high-quality imaging. Despite its tiny size, weighing under 249 grams, the Mini 4 Pro delivers stunning visuals that rival larger drones. Perfect for travel, vlogging, or casual flying, this lightweight design means you can take it anywhere without worrying about regulations that apply to heavier drones. Flight time is excellent, offering up to 34 minutes per battery, letting you capture extended shots and more creative angles. The Fly More combo comes with multiple batteries plus a handy 128GB memory card, so you're ready to shoot right out of the box without worrying about storage or charging stops. The DJI RC2 remote controller with an integrated screen enhances your flying experience by giving you a crisp live view and quick access to controls without the need to connect a smartphone. This makes flying smoother and more intuitive. Safety is a priority with advanced vision sensing technology, which includes obstacle avoidance sensors on multiple sides. You can fly confidently even in tight spaces, reducing the risk of accidents or crashes. The drone's foldable design fits easily into backpacks or camera bags, making it ideal for adventurers, travelers, and content creators who need a reliable, portable drone. Additional intelligent flight modes like Focus Track help you track subjects automatically, while Quick Shots allow you to capture cinematic clips with just a tap, ideal for social media content creators. With all these features packed in a lightweight, compact body, the DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More combo is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to elevate their aerial photography and videography in 2025. If you're interested, the Amazon link is in the description below so you can grab yours today. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews, tech tips, and unboxings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.